5:30 in the morning, Twin Lake, Michigan. Working on my dad's wood boiler again. Man, this thing has been a constant struggle this week. The water coming out of the pumps is only 76 degrees. The temperature inside the firebox is only 275. So I brought me a blower, and I'm going to blow down through the pipe, because I don't think the deflector cover inside the boiler has been removed, and the soot or creosote, whatever you want to call it, has not been removed in a long time. So here we go. 1 degree outside. It's pretty cold. Yeah, I think I'm to assume that my 93-year-old dad has never pulled the deflector plate down to scrape the creosote out of the chimney. So, boy, it's breathing good now. I'm going to come back in a couple hours, maybe 3, and check to see if it's really going at that time, because like I say, the water's pretty cool coming out of the pumps. And when I was in the house yesterday, the furnace fan was running non-stop. It was 60 degrees in there. Thermostat set on 73 because my dad likes it warm. And it just couldn't get it up there. It couldn't muster it. But I thought about it all night, and then I woke up at 4 this morning, and I said, you know what, I'm going to go out and tinker with that thing and see if I can figure it out, because this week I built a new damper door. I ended up putting a brand new door gasket in, because it was just pulling air. The damper door was rusted through. I got another video about that. But I mean, the pumps work great and everything, so hopefully the thing will get up to temperature. I put a new temperature gauge in it too the other day, but it's never gotten over 130 since I installed it, so that led me to some major concern, which made me go in and check the lines coming into the house, and they were just lukewarm. They were not yeah, they were cooler than my body temperature, and that's not the way it should be. But anyway, I'll show you what happens here in a few hours. Well, I'm back up to my dad's, and it's actually, the stove is actually producing heat. It's hot to the touch now, coming out of the pumps, out of the back of the stove. So that's an achievement. I'm going to open the door now to see how she's burning. The temperature gauge is still at about 130, and that's exactly what the water temperature is coming out of the back of the stove. Before it was 76. Oh yeah, it's hot in there now. So that's a really good thing. I have a sense of achievement now this morning, because that thing is producing some heat. This is a Timberwolf 5000. It has quite a large water jacket on it. I think it holds like 260 gallons, something like that. But there's the pumps right there. This is the house pump, and this is the garage pump for the birds. So house, garage, and the inbound water coming, the return actually feels pretty darn good too. And yeah, 180 degrees is what I have the aquastat set for. So the damper will close at 180. So I feel good about that now. So I'll come back here this evening and refeed it. Yeah, it'll probably go through a lot more wood now. Anyway, have a great day.